Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change Windows icons font color. So what are basically Windows icons font color? Basically, you guys can see here in the desktop section, you guys can see there is a lots of icons here. So what if we are taking a look at any of the icon and you guys can see the font color of the name. So you guys can see the white color of the font is used here. But if we want to change it, so for that you have to simply turn to right click on anywhere on the desktop and simply click on the personalize. So after tapping on this personalize, the personalization of the windows will be opened here. This method will be work on Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So what you have to do is just simply hit the background here. So what is the basically funda? The Windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10, whenever you change the background, the all theme of the window will be changed there. So in this way, you guys can just simply change the background and all colors, multiple colors of the fonts as well as multiple icons will be changed according to the wallpaper. So I have used, you guys can see the dark background here, but what if I'll turn it to light background. You guys can see here is a light background, then the name will be converted to black. So here is a simple funda. Whenever you convert it to the light background, you guys can see here is a light background, and I have to just simply open up the desktop again, and you guys will be able to see the icons font color will be black. So in order to get the black color, you have to simply select the light background. So if you want to get the white color font, and you want it, then you have to just simply turn it to the dark mode and dark theme, and in this way you guys can just simply hit the save button and you guys can just simply see the icons in different colors. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.